In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use Motif Explorer to search for a trading pattern in our pattern library. The dataset used in this video is the intraday bid price of the Forex pair Euro and US dollar. We begin at the Motif Explorer screen, supposing that we have configured our metadata structure and have already had some patterns in the library. Before searching, we may want to adjust the granularity of the time series displayed. We will use minute-level data to see how the exchange rate moves in every minute. Once we have set the granularity, you can lock it to make sure that you stay with the chosen granular level when zooming in or out to the maximum. Now, to select an existing pattern in the library, navigate to the top right area of your line chart, where you will see a Show Hide arrow of the search panel. Click on the arrow to show the search panel. To open an existing pattern from our library, click on the folder icon and a Select File window will pop up. Select the folder that contains the pattern that you want to open, then choose the pattern. Suppose that we want to search the entire series for the occurrences of the double top pattern in a 30-minute span. Select the pattern, click OK, then the pattern will be imported to the search panel. One more optional step before running the search: setting the search parameters. In the Motif search panel, locate the Search tab, click on the parameters. We'll set the search algorithm as Pearson, with 0% overlap, and top 10 match return. And now we are all set to run the search. We activate the search by clicking Motif Search. The search will take less than 1 minute. Once the search is done, the system will return to you top 10 matches in the end, as customized in the parameters before. You can see the top results in the down right corner of the screen and go to each result in the line chart by clicking the result. The bold line segment represents the match to your search. By going to each of the individual results, you can observe the subsequent movement of the price after the pattern. In our case, the first match is followed by a downward price movement for almost 15 minutes and then a rise. The same applies for the second match. The third one appears to be followed by a consolidation, and so on so forth. You can also view the results in different formats by using options like Matrix, Normalized, or Grid, all in the Visualization tab. Finally, apart from searching for the matches of an existing pattern, you also have the flexibility to select your own pattern from the graph and run the search with the customized parameters by following the steps shown in this video. And that's how you run the pattern search using Motif Explorer.